found our destination. It's looking promising, but we don't know until we put gear down. Beautiful morning. Welcome back to the channel. I've got the lovely Flavia, my wife, with me today.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're going to try and get her onto a snapper or a fish of some kind anyway. It's been a while. The Demersal ban has finally been lifted for 2 weeks, so we want to try and get a snapper or jewie in between these 2 weeks. Conditions I thought would be a bit better than what they are, but obviously they're not. It's a bit choppy, but hopefully we'll still get onto a fish or two. Alrighty, we'll gear up. When fishing for snapper, I like to use an unweighted half muley. If there's any kind of current, I will use a tiny ball sinker, and if I'm in 10 metres of water, I roughly cast out 10 metres. If I'm in 15 metres of water, I roughly cast out 15 metres, and so on, and let it slowly sink down. I tend to have a better strike rate using this method rather than a full sinker setup. Wakey wakey. Go babe. Lift up. Yeah, hang on. Yep, go. Lift her up. Oh, it's gone. Oh, damn. So we just had a hit before with Flav. I didn't have that drag up quite tight enough, so probably didn't set the hook at the start. My fault. But we'll just keep that burley up and hopefully it comes back. Hasn't been a lot of action this morning so far, but yeah, just good to be out here. It's been a long time. It's only small, but it'd be bait. Your little pinky. Alrighty guys, that's what we're after, just the bigger version. Choo. Alright, finally, some action. Yes. Net, babe. Oh, he's not quite sized, I don't think. Actually, don't worry about it. He's hooked. Whew. Alrighty, is he sized? That's the next question. In fact, I think he's going to be a long way short. Yeah, 45. Oh well, it's a start. We'll hook this guy back. 45 is a bit short. Put him back. Hopefully, it's a big one down there. Pew, down he goes. Alright, we're going to move on. We're going to chase some jewies now. No luck in that spot. We've got 2 small snapper, just undersized. That's fishing, isn't it? Alright, we're just going to change rigs and then chase some jewies. Alright, sea anchor out again. I need to get a bigger sea anchor, slow us down even more. But this one will do. Come on, out there, buddy. That way. Got the Wind Princess with me today. For those that don't know and new to the channel, we call her a Wind Princess because it could be 0 knots all week and forecast 0 knots for another week. As soon as she's in the boat, it's 20 knots, 15, 20 knots. It's just happened one too many times, if you know what I mean, for it to be a coincidence. But we're out in the bite, we'll catch a fish. Whoop, you had a bite right then, babe. That was almost good timing. Alright, we're on to something. This might be dinner, hopefully. It's not fighting very much. Maybe a jewie. Yeah, I think I foul hooked him. Yeah, it is a jewie. Tiny little Jewy. So he's not suffering any barra trauma, so I'm going to put this guy back. Oh, he's got a bit of a bloated belly. We'll see if he goes down. I've got one of these. It's got a new piercing. Just like that. So that's just to call it a release weight, just to get him down, so make sure he swims. We had every single right to keep that one, but he was still healthy and fit, so he went down to live another day. Oh yeah, this is a good fish. Basically got that on the drop. Do you want to grab that net, my love? See colour. Hang on. Oh, it might be a Sambo. Oh, it's a nice big. Oh, good chewy. Hey! Woo! Get him out, measure him. I've bought a few around this size. Definitely not a PB. Alrighty, we'll get the hooks out. Brag mat. Alrighty. 50, 59. We'll give him 59. Woo. All right, Western Australian Dhufish, one of the best tasting, if not the best tasting fish in Perth waters. And we're going to safely release this guy into the esky. Beautiful. Woohoo! Go, babe. That's the one. Up and down, up and down. It's not massive, but it could be a keeper. A little bit of weight in it. Bring it up, bring it up. This side. Oh, I think it's the same one as what we caught the other before. Oh, he's a bit bigger. Bring it down. Woo! He's only just hooked. Did well to get him in, babe. Huh? Chuck him back. Smile, babe. If I hold it closer to the camera, it looks big that you caught it. Pretend that you're holding it. He can go back. He's full of life. Yep. Yep. Good work, babe. Yeah. Showing her uncle in Brazil how it's done. He's a keen fisherman and he's coming over in a couple of weeks. Yeah. Couple of weeks, so we'll get him out in the boat as well. Yeah, he's only used to catching tiny little fish like this, so hopefully we can get him into a big monster. So good to have one on the board. You can relax now. Look at that. Just beautiful ground. So this particular spot, I've actually come back through here many times and caught absolutely nothing. But then we've caught 3 on one drip. So it always pays to go back over your ground as well when you're just cruising out and around. We're actually not that far from the boat ramp. I can see the boat ramp from here. So yeah, if the ground's good, the fish will be there one day. That's my theory anyway. Huh? I could be going towards the boat. No, nothing on there. Yeah, you got a fish. Oh, it's a good Breaksea cod, babe. Bring her in, bring her in. Woo! There we go. We're keeping him.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a good Breaksea.
Just
let that go. Yep. Careful. Just chuck that back in there. Nice one, babe. Alrighty, what have we got here? Babe's first ever keeper. Woo-hoo-hoo. We are eating good tonight. So these guys are called Breaksea cod, for those that don't know, and they are a very, very good table fish. Probably about 5, or they are 5-star actually. And they're very, very underrated because they don't grow to the massive, you know, Dhufish and snapper sizes, but they are unbelievably delicious. So we're going to take him home, and you might have to fillet it up, babe. You catch it, you fillet it. That's how it goes.
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay, well on that note, I think we're going to clean up what we've got here and then start heading back in. Cheers for watching, like, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll be back soon. Cheers.
G'day guys, new to BlissNiques, we have our t-shirts available from medium to extra large. These are screen printed to last longer and are super comfortable. If you'd like to support our channel, hit us up on Instagram, BlissNiques, $45 plus postage. Cheers.